Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you an update and give you a little preview of some of the mods that I have pulled the trigger on. I've got some unboxing to do. And Donut the dog is going to join us. Hey guys, so in my last video, I was actually dropping off my rims to get powder coated, and I was talking about the mods I'm going to be doing this year. Well, since making that video, I've made a few decisions and a couple of parts have arrived already, so I'm pretty excited to open them with you this evening. But before we do that, I've got to show you something in the garage real quick, so hold on. Okay, Doey, lead the way. Let's go. Let's go to the garage. Oh, my wife and I are State Fair fanatics. Although I've only lived here for 5 years-ish, I own all of the posters that they've produced for the past, I think it's 16 years now. There's a different local artist that does one every year. Anyway, you know, there you go. All right, I can't wait to show you guys this. It is artwork. So it's only a very minor step in my garage transformation, but one of the things I wanted to do was get some artwork up on the wall. And these are two images that I actually took at Porsche of St. Paul a couple of weeks ago when we did our Porsches and Pancakes last trip of the year. And I mean, you know, you can't take a bad photo of a car like that. I mean, just look at it. It's a 4S, a 993, I believe. That whale tail on the back, so cool. Anyway, I got these with a great discount from Canvas Pop, I think the website's called. I'll put the links below and the coupon code. I essentially got 50 or 60% off. It was basically a buy one, get one. This is the biggest size that I could do with an image to get it to canvas, but I really like the way it looks. Anyway, you know, just my thing. You know, of course, I need to clean the floor and get the new floor done and get rid of all the crap in the background, but at least, you know, I think that's starting to look pretty cool. I like it. It's going to look so cool when I get the floor done and I start getting proper shelving units in. But, you know, for now, simple fix. And I was thinking about doing an installation video. It took me 20 seconds, so no need. Anyway, all right, come on, Doey. Let's go back. Okay, so next up, I ordered a bunch of parts. I made the decision on the steering wheel. So I'm going with the second gen 997 GTS sports wheel, which has the round airbag. It has the 3-spoke alloy sort of design. And that's coming from Suncoast. Bought it directly from them. It's not going to take as long as I thought. I got a shipping update. That should be arriving in about a week or two's time. In the meantime, let's see what else has arrived. So this is a package from Lithuania. So I imagine this is my airbag. Let's get in there without cutting my fingers off or setting off the airbag. That would be disastrous. Now, I guess I'm taking a little bit of a gamble with this, and I will get this checked out at the dealership once I install it. You know, I looked online. If you buy a brand new round airbag from somewhere like Suncoast or directly from Porsche or Porsche suppliers, you could be spending anywhere from like $1,100, $1,200 up to $1,400. If you buy a used one off eBay, you can get them as cheap as sort of $300 or $400. Plus shipping all the way up to, again, sort of $700 or $800. Depends on, you know, exactly what you're looking for. Sand beige, of course, well, maybe not of course, maybe it's not obvious, but it's much harder to find the sand beige color than it is anything else. black, you know, you can get a black one anywhere. So this one I got from a dealer in Lithuania. I read a bunch of reviews online from other people in the US and Europe that have bought from this provider, and they've had really great comments. So, you know, hopefully it's going to be okay. So let's take a look. I have a sand beige color. It looks like it's in really good condition. You guys see that? No scrapes or marking on the material whatsoever. It's not leather. No, it's got the sort of, well, actually, no, it's got the sort of pleathery kind of feel to it. But there's no obvious sign of tampering. It looks absolutely brand new. Made in Germany. It has the right part number on it. It's got the right stamps. It has the right connection points there on the back. It doesn't come with the wiring, but I'm assuming that the steering wheel, being brand new through Suncoast from Porsche, will come with the wiring. If it doesn't, I've already found the parts from Gaudin Porsche Parts in Las Vegas, so I can order them from there. But yeah, there's the airbag. Super great condition. Yeah, that's awesome. Perfect. Now, I'm trusting that it's sand beige. I won't know 100% if it's gonna match until I get the wheel, but this is the kind of gamble you take, I guess, if you're trying to spend, you know, a fraction of the money of what it costs brand new. But yeah, that's in great condition, so far, very happy. And it does have the 4 hooks on the back. From what I understand, some of the 991 wheels only have 2 hooks on the back. The 997 generations, at this period of time, the airbags came with the 4 hooks, so I'm glad to see that there as well. Anyway, all right, there's the airbag. That's number 1. All right, number 2. This is from Suncoast. It's pretty heavy. I'm guessing these are my my wheel spacers, I guess. Porsche bolts in black. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. And actually Michael Bath's advice, thank you Michael, with the darker colored platinum rims, he suggested going for black bolts, so that's what I went for. And these are Porsche OEM bolts that fit with the spacers. Oh, and they've, it comes with the, what's it called? The hole finder, whatever, you know. I can't remember the name of it. Like the mounting pin, you basically put it through the wheel into the hole so the wheel stays in place, and then you add the other bolts. So they come with that, so that's great. They're the black bolts. 45 millimeters black, and these this is another set of bolts. Same thing. We have the finder pin, and then we have our bag of bolts. These are 37 millimeters, so I'm guessing that these go with the 7-inch spacers at the front, and I've got 15-inch spacers in the back. Just watch out for my sharp knife. Let's get these open. Porsche spacers, again, from Suncoast. Let's not ding up my my airbag there. A couple of placement screws, and then the spacers themselves. So, yeah, these are the 7 millimeters. Oh, really nice. You know, brand new, not a spot on them. 7 millimeters. And unsurprisingly, the 15s are twice as heavy, given they're just over twice the width each. These guys, yeah, the real deal. They look really meaty. So these are my 15 millimeter spacers. Again, they come with a couple of retaining screws to keep them on before you put the wheel on. So here we go. 15-inch spacers for the rear, 7-inch spacers for the front. Can't wait to see what they look like. There we go. So I am expecting my wheels back from Adrenaline Customs sort of around the 20th of Jan-ish. By that time, hopefully my steering wheel will have arrived as well. So coming up, I'll be doing a spacer installation video with the wheels before and after to show you guys what that looks like. And then I'll also do a steering wheel installation video. I keep expecting this thing to pop every time I touch it. Bang, that would just be, you know, YouTube fail moment. So I'll do a separate video with the steering wheel. What else have I got coming? So I've made those decisions. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you guys, if you watched one of Michael Bath's recent videos, you'll see that he bought a really nice looking leather center console piece with the Porsche crest on. And of course, he's got one and it looks awesome. So now I kind of want one. So I have been Googling away, as you do, and I've created myself a little list. But you know, one thing goes to the next, of course. So, you know, you look at one option and then you think, well, you know, wouldn't it be great if I also get this trim option? And what if I get that trim option? So let me show you what I've done. So check out Michael's video. But here we are at Suncoast, and I've filled my shopping basket with just a handful of leather trim items. And very quickly, the price adds up. And here we are at just over $2,000 in leather, which I am not going to pull a trigger on at all, you know, but I'm tempted. Let me show you. So there is the leather ignition surround, which Michael installed as well, actually. And you can get it in sand beige, of course. So if you get the leather ignition surround, shouldn't you also get the light switch surround? I think probably you should. I think Michael also said the same. So you're looking at kind of $300 for the surround. Probably no one will notice it apart from you. So it's a very personal style change, I think, or upgrade. The center console, there are a couple of options. There's premium leather and then there's regular leather and leatherette. I think I would be a little bit of a faker and go for the slightly cheaper option, frankly. Even that, though, looks really good. So I would get that in the beige. And that's, you know, sort of running at 600 and change, nearly 700 bucks. And then I saw this, the leather shift interior, like kind of console trim. So this isn't, I don't think this is what goes around the gear stick. I have that already and that's leather. This is the surround that sort of goes into the tray where you put your phone or you know, your house keys or whatever, and then around the side. This is like whopping $520, a 9% discount down from $570. Still, you're looking at you're still looking at $500 or so for that. But it is quite easy to start stacking these things up. So I don't know, maybe for my birthday I'll buy one of these, and maybe for Christmas I'll buy myself another, and then I'm bound to impulse buy one of them at some point. But for now, I'm not buying any of them. But it is nice to dream, isn't it? Anyway, Michael, you got me interested in the leather trim there. So that's it for this video. Come back soon. I'll do the installation videos for the wheels and the spacers when I get them back from Adrenaline. And if this doesn't go off in my face beforehand, I'll be doing the steering wheel update, the steering wheel installation video as well in sort of mid-January. For now, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I'm really close to 1.7 thousand subscribers, 1,700 subscribers, which is just nuts. And I was looking back a year ago, I did a video being absolutely blown away that I went past the 500 mark. So thank you so much for everybody who watches my videos. I don't do it for the subscribers, frankly, you know, to get numbers. I don't really have a target in mind. I just really enjoy making these videos, and I really enjoy the backwards and forwards with other people who make videos like Michael, and everyone else out there who owns cars, Porsches, or doesn't, but just is interested in them anyway. So please keep the comments coming. Please keep the chat going. That's really what I look for every morning when I wake up and check out to see who's commented on which video. It's a lot of fun. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.